Zoe Ball announced she will be taking time off after she opened up about her mom's heartbreaking diagnosis. Zoe Ball announced her mom Julia has sadly been diagnosed with cancer as the broadcaster said she will be taking time away from her radio show. The 53-year-old shared that Gabby Roslin will be stepping in to host the Zoe Ball breakfast show on Radio 2 while she takes care of her mom. Alongside a picture of her mother Julia in hospital and surrounded by her loved ones. Zoe wrote, "Heartbreakingly, our beautiful mama Julia has been diagnosed with cancer. As many of you know from experience, these are extremely tough times. Mom is being incredibly brave." She continued, "My brother Jamie and I are completely in awe of the brilliant doctors, nurses and support teams looking after Mom. Thank you. Gratitude to our families and our extended family and friends at home and at work for their support at this time. Sending out love to people reading this who are battling cancer, or awaiting diagnosis, and also to the folk looking after their dear ones who are poorly." She concluded, "I'm trying to be at work on breakfast as often as I can but occasionally need to be home with my mama. Thanks to Gabby for stepping in. Lots of love, heart emoji." Zoe was swiftly inundated with messages of support as her 697,000 followers inundated the comments section. Amanda Abington penned, "Sending you and your beautiful family so much love, my darling. The most loved." Julia Bradbury commented, "So sorry to hear this, Zoe. Wishing you and the family love and courage through this." Annabelle Croft shared, "Sending you all my love and thoughts." Ola Jordan said, "Sending you and your mummy lots of love," while Adele Roberts added, "Thinking of your amazing mum and sending so much love to you all." Alex Jones said, "Sending so much love to your whole family." Zoe has previously opened up about her relationship with her mom following her parents' separation. "I didn't see my mom Julia for a few years. She was very young when she married my dad and had me, and when they parted I lived with my dad and my other mom, his wife Diane," she previously shared. The pair's bond has since gone from strength to strength, and the radio broadcaster supported her mother after her husband died in 2013. Speaking to Mail, she explained, "She was with her third husband, Rick Beckham. She finally got it right, for 25 years, and he was such a wonderful man and so much a part of our family life."